enhla nasezansi bafethu ngemibingelelo unibingelela ngomanyazeni udunga amanzi ukhasikhazi ukubasela kusulu umqongo futhi vele ikhani ntshentsha iphumisele ngengishanga semncane ngeke sangilokotha engene njengamanje bafethu kube umunye enkantolo umndeni kaMufulila kulandela ukuthi imantshi inikeze owayenguthishanhloko wasesithengile high school uKhalihle Dlomo ibheli. Lokhu kuza ngemuva ukuthi lo muntu esaboshwa ngecala lokusola ukuthi wabulala umngakhe uKhanyisile Dlomo nowatholakala namanxeba okugwazwa amabili. uKhanyisile Dlomo watholakala emzini wabo ngo-2022. So bafowethu kubuhlungu kakhulu okwenzeka namhlanje enkantolo umndeni uyalila kodwa-ke angeke ngikhulume kakhulu bafowethu nansi ividiyo yalandela asibukeni yona kwabafika bafowethu ngicela subscribe si-like share siyabonga
ukuphepha ngakho-ke inkantolo ibona ukuthi-ke kuzobe kuwubulungiswa ukuthi-ke angadedelwa ngebheli ummangalelwa.
And according to Samuel Bailey, speak to the sum of 5,000 rental condition that you are to relocate to your relative address at P59 Waiting Road at Newcastle. You are not to interfere with witnesses in this matter. You will not have any discussions around this matter with your children. You pay your bail, you are to attend this matter to its finality. If you are in default for any of the subsequent appearances, a warrant for your arrest will be issued and authorized shortly, and your bail will be forfeited.
Inkantolo-ke iyakunikeza-ke ibheli ka-5,000 rand uzogcina ngaphathi ngaphandle kokuthi ukhokhe ibheli
Come.